In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layering of objects in Google Slides, which is a great way to enhance the look and function of your presentations. Whether you're working with shapes, images, text boxes, or any other elements, adjusting the layering can help you achieve the perfect visual hierarchy and make your slides more engaging. First, begin by selecting the object that you want to relayer. It could be a shape, an image, a text box, or any other element present on your slide. Once you've clicked on the object, you'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready for the next step. Now, it's time to access the order options. You have two ways to do this. The first method is to simply right-click on the selected object. When you do this, a context menu will pop up on your screen. If you're on a Mac, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking can accomplish the same thing. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Arrange menu located at the top of the screen. Clicking on Arrange will display a drop-down menu with various options. Both ways will lead you to the same set of ordering options. Once you have the ordering options in front of you, it's time to decide how you want to adjust the layer of your object. If you'd like to move the object to the very top of the stacking order, you will select Bring to Front. This option ensures that your object appears above all others on your slide. If you prefer to move it up just one layer, select Bring Forward. On the other hand, if you want to move the object down the layer stack but not to the bottom, choose Send Backward. Lastly, if the goal is to place the object behind all others on your slide, click on Send to Back. Remember, you can repeat these steps as many times as necessary. Sometimes, achieving the perfect arrangement might take a few adjustments before you get it just right. Don't hesitate to experiment with these ordering options to find the precise visual layer that makes your presentation look seamless and professionally crafted. By mastering these simple layering techniques in Google Slides, you'll have greater control over your presentations and can create visually dynamic slides that capture and hold the attention of your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in expanding your Google Slides skill set.